watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello there, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and I have another new mystery box for you. And not just a new mystery box, but a brand new cutie color too in this box. The name of it is one of my favorite things. The name of this box is Cricut's Summer Sunset Mystery Box. And like I said, we have a new cutie. I haven't even peeked at it yet. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with our new Cricut Cutie. Oh my gosh, what if I always feel like I need a cutie drum roll. I could probably make them do that. Oh my gosh. Cue cutie drum roll. Gotta do that. And the new Cricut Cutie is, it's hard to see, but she is light mauve. And here's hoping we don't drop the cutie this time. But well, you can kind of see her next to the unicorn there. So you can tell she's not white, but she is a very soft pink. And here you can see light mauve next to two other pink cuties, the true pink and the rose. So you can see she is definitely a different shade and definitely lighter than the previous ones. So that is the new light mauve cutie. And because we got our cutie box is for Cricut Access members only, but not only below are there links to purchase your mystery box, which you might want to do soon because we have a new cutie and new cuties don't last long. But there's also links below to go ahead and see the different Access memberships, and you can go ahead and join Access there. And there's so many reasons to join Access, not to mention the new Create AI, which is huge. We are loving the Create AI in Mystery Box. We are loving the Create AI in Design Space, but let's go ahead and get into this mystery box and see what else we get. All right, second in the box, we are getting the Cricut Card Mat 2x2. So this is amazing because you are able to cut 4 cards at one time. So you can use Cricut's cutaway cards, their insert cards. And on this mat, you're gonna be able to make R10, R20, R30, R40, and S40 size. Think of the holidays because we cut lots of cards this end, and how cool if you can cut 4 cards at once. Excited we are getting that, and to go with that, because you can't have a card mat without cards, we are getting a huge stack of insert cards. Look at this, look at the box. This is 42 insert cards, and this is the Sensei sampler. These are gonna be R10 cards, so they're 3.5 by 4.9 inch. You're gonna get 14 of the Twilight, which is like dark blue, almost a little purplish to it. You're gonna get 14 of the Tulip, which is a soft pink, and 14 of the Powder Blue, which I know it's hard to see because of the lighting. Here is the Tulip against white. The Twilight, which looks really dark here, but it's a dark blue, almost like an indigo. And the Powder Blue, which is a very soft blue. And then for the inserts, we have 14 of each. We got Khaki, Party Pink, which is my favorite, a hot pink, that's my favorite pink color, and Mustard. And you're gonna get 42 envelopes. 42 cards in this box, but that's not all the cards we're getting. We're getting some more cards too. And we're getting another big box of cards. Now this one is the S40 size, and we're getting 35 of these. And this is the rainbow scale sampler. So let me show you what all colors is in it. And I know I mentioned the holidays, and these colors all work for holiday cards. So we are getting 11 green, 12 blue, and 12 red. But green and red, Christmas colors, and then blue is great. Hanukkah, winter, all sorts of things. So literally you can use all of these 35 cards you can use for Christmas. And look at the pretty inserts. They're rainbow, which if you know me, you know I love the rainbow. I love holographic. I say it's what unicorns are made out of. But look, it's got scales. So it just gives a really cool texture. Ooh, very pretty. So you're gonna get 35 of the inserts, and then with both card packs, you're gonna get envelopes for all of them too. If you just use these 2 card packs, that is 77 cards. And some of my favorite markers, we are getting metallic markers. I love these markers. These are 1.0, and these work so good. They are not gonna skip. They always write like butter, and they show up on light or dark materials, which I love. Like especially holidays, put some of that silver or gold on a dark black or even navy background. Looks so stinking pretty. And in here you're gonna get 5 colors, so you're gonna get gold, silver, copper, violet, and blue. But if you have not used these metallic markers, you have to, and you're going to love them. I stand by that. I stand by that. And we're getting, this is really pretty too. We are getting permanent premium vinyl in suntan. So this is 12 by 48 inches of this, and look at the color. It's very like metallic looking, very fancy. And we are getting a whole bunch of Cricut premium permanent glossy vinyl. So all these are 12 by 48 inches, but we have orange clay, ultraviolet, which is dark blue, almost purpley to it, and then parchment. Think about that. I'm like, what's the last one called? So clay, ultraviolet, parchment, and orange, 12 by 48 inches of permanent glossy vinyl. Ooh. We got any Chicago fancies? Look like pretty good Bears colors to do something with. Could be their year. You never know. So that is everything that's in Cricut's Summer Sunset Mystery Box. And it is $49.99 US, $69.99 Canadian, but you get your access discount with it, which you have to be access to purchase. So you'll definitely have that discount. So it's not really that price. And the MSRP on this is $150. So that is 66% savings. Yeah, that is 66% savings before your access discount. So 75, 80, I don't know. Huge discounts. So please leave a comment below if you got this box. And links are below to go ahead and purchase. We greatly appreciate when you use those. But also in the links below are our giveaways, which we have 2 giveaways going on right now. We have our August crafting challenge where one person will win $50 to spend at Cricut.com. And we have our other giveaway, which this month we did double the winners. So we have 2 winners that are each going to win $100 to spend at Cricut.com. And we did double this month because of Cricut's new products coming out, and we wanted people to be able to get whatever they want from Cricut, but including those new products, which if you have not seen all the new products that came up from Cricut, go ahead and watch this video here. I will walk you through the new products, and there's so many of them. So fun, and it brought me so much joy. And you'll just see if you watch the video. Towards the end, I do a full tutorial on one of the products, but I even tell you more products that are coming after that. So make sure, but you can see I just giggled and it made me very happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know I say before, but I really mean you guys are absolute rock stars to us. Just the likes, just the comments. Thank you to our Patreons, our supporters, you guys who are watching us. But make sure you go ahead and subscribe. That way you don't miss any videos that come out from us. And we'll always have mystery box reveals when they come out and updates to Design Space and all of the stuff all the Design Space need to know. And with all sorts of fun projects, which, speaking of projects, you can get access to all of our projects being a Melody Lane Patreon member, and that starts at just $2 a month, and that's access to over 1,100 projects within Design Space. So there is no importing anything in, all within Design Space. So thank you guys so much for watching. We greatly appreciate you guys. So I hope you guys all have a wonderful rest of your week filled with lots of happy crafting. And don't forget, if you have not seen the new video on the new products, make sure and check that out too. We also have a video on Cricut's new toolbar. So if you go to edit, things may be looking different in Design Space, but we'll go ahead and walk you through and show you how to do that, which I actually really love that update. But I know when something's new and you go in and you're like, where did my buttons go? It can be confusing. So went ahead and made that so you can see. So thank you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your week, guys, filled with lots and lots of happy crafting. And we will see you guys next time. Happy crafting, everyone. Toodles. Bye.